Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is going to be fun. Now I want to state up front, I have brown eyes. I do not wish that I had another color eye. I am not unhappy with my eye color because when I wore some blue contacts in a video a long time ago, I mean, people were, it was like I was suggesting that I just cannot stand my brown eyes. I love my brown eyes, okay? We all are blessed with whatever we are blessed with, and I got brown eyes. My eyes are actually more hazel. Sometimes they appear like a greenish brown, and when I was younger, they were really a dark brown, and then there's sometimes that my eyes almost look amber. But anyway, this company had contacted me again. They had sent me some blue contacts a long time ago, and they were in a prescription strength, and they weren't right for me. And she contacted me again and asked me if she could just send them to me more just for cosmetic reasons. So these don't have any prescription. These are just if you want to have fun and change your eye color. Some people like to be... they like to experiment. I mean, some people like tattoos, other people like hair extensions, and some people want to change their eye color every single day, and so be it, whatever. So I thought, you know, that would be fun, because sometimes I often wonder, what would I look like in green eyes, or what would I look like if my eyes were this color or that color? So I picked out 3 colors, and she sent them to me, and one is mineral green, and the other is a sugar brown. So they're actually brown, just going to change the tone of my eyes, and this one here is golden brown. So we'll go ahead and start with the mineral green first. And they come just like normal contacts. Always make sure that your hands are washed and clean. They do come with a little kit so that you can keep them. And each one, there are 2 eye contacts in here, and you can see they're floating around in the water there, and these are the mineral green, and the company is called Iris Beauty, and I just think it's a fun thing to do. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these in, and I will be right back so we can see what I look like in green eyes, and maybe you too will be interested in green eyes. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my green eyes. How do I look, darlings? Tell me, does it look scary or do I look really good? I can't see. Yeah, the green is really a pretty color green. But yeah, really interesting. Let me put my glasses on because I would have to wear my glasses with these because of course I can't see. They're very comfortable. They feel like I have absolutely nothing on my eyes. And yeah, so that is it. Let me see how they look. Yeah, so here I am with green eyes. I really do believe God knew what he was doing when he gave us what he gave us. But again, this is just for fun, okay? So here again are the mineral green, darling. Let me put my hair like this so I'm all sassed up. So now I'm going to put the sugar brown. And again, what they look like in the little package, and they come with their own little case. I went and put the green ones in their little case, so now I can wear them anytime I want. They're in a cleaning solution, and I just use the one that I normally use. And anytime I want to pop the green contacts in, I can go ahead when I'm wearing my glasses. Although, you know, I might try popping them over my contacts lens just to see how it works out. Okay, so I'm going to go and put in the sugar brown. Okay, so here is the sugar brown. They almost look like a pale green or gray to me, but yeah, it's really interesting. It's just fun. So there we have that, the sugar brown. I actually suggest putting them in before you do your makeup, and because I can feel a little mascara, you know, is getting on them. But actually, I can't feel them in my eye at all. So yeah, there we go. All right, so now we are going to go ahead and pop in the golden brown. So that's what I look like with my glasses and the sugar brown. And now we're going to go ahead and pop in golden brown. Okay, I'm back with the golden brown in my eyes. What do you think, darlings? What do you think? They have all different colors. They have lavenders, they have blues, different shades of green, different shades of blue. These are actually kind of interesting because they're golden and they just bring the brown in my eyes. They bring them a little bit more golden. So with my glasses on, that's what they look like. It's just for fun, my friends. But you can get these in prescription if you have your exact prescription. I have astigmatism, so my prescription is something a little bit different. And I also need the lenses that you can read with also. So what do they call them? Not the bifocals, but you know what progressive lenses. All right, so yeah, it's just something fun. Again, it's Iris Beauty. This is not a sponsored video. They just sent me the contacts. There will be a code below for you that you can get a percentage off. So that's it for today's video. Just something fun. Change your look with colored contacts. Let me know in the comments if any of you dabble with color contacts and if this is something that piques your interest. I've always wanted to play with colored contact lenses. Always. Even, I mean, I think I told you a long time ago in the video when I did the blue-eyed, I actually was in the Miss Black Velvet contest and I was a runner-up, and I swear it's because I wore blue contact lenses, because you had to have blonde hair and blue eyes back then. Nowadays that doesn't matter, but it did back then. Blonde hair, blue eye was the thing, and I knew that all the Black Velvet girls were blonde hair, blue eyes. There were no brunettes, there were no dark skin, there was nothing. It was a typical look, and it got me to the semifinals. But I did not win because the girl that really had blue eyes won. Anyway, this is just for fun. So let me know in the comments what you think. Which eyes did you like the best of the contact lenses? I know that most of you are going to prefer my brown eyes because I do. All right, my friends, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell so you are made aware of all my videos, because YouTube is not always letting us know when our favorites are putting videos out anymore unless we are hitting that bell. All right, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. Thank you to Iris Beauty for allowing me to have some fun with my subscribers. There will be a code for you below for a % off. Have a great day. I love you all. Bisous.